Assalamualaikum. So I found an app, an extension for Coursology. Uh, it was for the UWorld, but I have modified it for the Coursology. So how it works is you can it basically links itself to the AnKing deck, and you can open the. So it looks like this, and you can open the by pressing S. You can open the sketchy images of the relevant UWorld question, and you can also open by pressing F. You can open the first aid pages of the relevant Anki card or and the UWorld question, or by pressing P you can we can open the picturized image of that specific UWorld question. So this is an excellent extension for Coursology. It was for UWorld, but it took me a lot of time to modify it for the Coursology. So what you have to do is and also in this by this extension you can sync your you can unsuspend the card and sync the UWorld question with your Anki deck by pressing like this. So these are the questions that were linked to the UWorld that specific UWorld question. You can preview them, you can unsuspend them, or you can do whatever you want. So yeah, this is the extension, and I'll be sharing the file of that modified extension. So what you have to do is you'll have to click on the so I'll be sharing this file, and so you'll have to download this file first, and then you will go to the this you will have to type this in the Edge website. So you will have to open the extensions by typing in the Edge browser, or if you have Chrome browser you'll have to open the extensions in the Chrome browser, and then you'll have to click on this developer mode. You'll have to click on this developer mode. By clicking on this developer mode you'll have the option load unpacked. You'll have to click the load unpacked option, and then you'll have to click on then you'll have to open this file which you have downloaded, modded atlas, and by clicking this you will have the atlas in your browser as an extension. So I already had this, but I can show you by removing it. So now I have removed this extension, and by simply clicking load unpacked and by clicking on the file modded atlas, I'll have this extension again. So in this way I'll have this extension. The first thing is to download the extension, and then you'll have to copy this code and add the Anki add-on for this extension. So Anki add-on should be somewhere. Where is the Anki add-on? Yeah, here is this code. We'll have to copy this, and then you'll open Anki. You'll open Anki, and by clicking on tools and add-ons you'll have to get this. Click on the get add-ons and paste the copied code. So now the extension is installed, and also the Anki add-on is installed. So now it will link perfectly, and now we simply have what we simply have to do is keep the Anki open and keep the Anki open. We'll have to keep the Anki open, and then we can easily use this extension in the Coursology. So now what I'll do is I'll open Coursology. Coursology, you can open your past test in the previous test, while reviewing the previous test, you will have this type of window again. By pressing S, you can see this sketchy images, and F, you can see the first aid images, and also you can sync or unsuspend the cards related to that specific UWorld question. So that was the extension. I hope it helps you all. So now I'll summarize the whole thing. Firstly, you have to download the extension that I'll share by clicking on this by opening the Chrome or Edge extension browser in your browser, and clicking on the developer mode. By clicking on the developer mode, you'll have this option, load unpacked. You will click on this and you will click on the file that I have sent you, and in this way, by clicking on this file, you have the extension. You'll have to download the Anki add-on by putting the code for that specific add-on, and then it will simply work flawlessly in Coursology. Thank you for watching. That was the Atlas extension that I modified. I hope it helps all of you. Thank you very much.